Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Chloe. I am finally back in the United States. I've been traveling for pretty much a solid 6 months. at this point. So happy to be back. Wash everything, clean everything. Don't have to live out of a suitcase. Amazing. But, everything is filthy and desperately needs a good clean. So that is what we are here to do today. This is the makeup bag that I have had for those 6 months. The products are very dirty. The palettes are starting to break a little bit. She needs a good deep clean. I got this cute little hand-me-down case where I'm going to be transferring everything to, so that way I can just switch it out of this bag that it's been in for so long. I have been wanting to clean everything for months. This makeup bag is not cute. I hate just having things in a bag, to be honest. So we're gonna go through everything, give everything a good freshen up. We're gonna go through my brushes and my brush case because that is also not cute. And we are just gonna give everything a good deep clean after not being able to for so long. I also don't feel like talking, so ASMR. Let's do it. Alright, that is going to be all for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below if you have not already. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below because that does really help me out. I'll see you guys in the next one.